In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change RAM speed in BIOS ASRock. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have any ASRock motherboard, you can easily change the RAM speed by going into the BIOS. So, as you might already be aware, when you purchase RAM sticks, by default, they will not use their advertised speeds. So let's say, for example, you purchased a RAM stick DDR5 rated at 6400 megatransfers per second. By default, it is going to use a value much lower than that for stability. So if you want to use the advertised speeds, you have to go into the BIOS and change the RAM speed. So to do this, you will usually press delete or F2 while your computer boots or reboots. So press delete or F2 on your keyboard over and over while your computer is booting up. If this does not work to access the BIOS in your particular model, then check the manual for instructions on how to do so. But once you are inside of the BIOS, you will have a view similar to this. To change the RAM speeds, switch over from main to OC Tweaker. If your BIOS doesn't look like this, check to see if there is an option to enable advanced mode or switch from easy mode to advanced. Now, once you go into OC Tweaker, all that you have to do is look for load XMP settings or load expo settings, and by choosing this, you will be able to select the profile here. Immediately upon selecting the profile, all of the values will be changed accordingly. So in this example here, the RAM was being used at 2133 mega transfers, but by enabling XMP, it is going to be used at 2666, which means that you will get the actual advertised speeds of your RAM. Of course, if you prefer, you can individually tune every single one of these values, but I wouldn't recommend this unless you know what you're doing. For 90% of users, loading the XMP settings and letting your motherboard change all of these values is going to be enough. I hope I was able to help you on how to change RAM speed in BIOS ASRock. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.